So welcome students. So in this question you're given that the person A, the probability of that person talking the truth, speaking truth is 4 by 5 and the person B, the probability that he speaks truth is 3 by 4. That is, the probability that a person does not speak truth is 1 by 5 for A, and the probability that B does not speak truth is equal to 1 minus 3 by 4 is 1 by 4. So this is the probability that A speaks truth, A does not speak truth. B speaks truth, B does not speak truth. Now, these two persons are asked about a particular fact. What is the probability that they contradict each other? That is, A says something, B says something else. So if you take a fact, you know what that fact is. Now, A can rightly tell the fact, or he can speak the false, speak the untruth. Now, if they have to contradict each other, how many different ways can A and B contradict each other? So, if you have A and B, if both speak truth, they don't contradict each other. If A speaks truth and B speaks untruth, then they contradict each other. One says something, the other says something else. If A speaks false and B speaks truth, they contradict each other. If both of them speak false, they don't contradict each other again. So, in these two cases, they don't contradict each other. So, these are the two cases where they contradict each other. And now A and B are independent of each other. They are being interrogated independently. So, the probabilities can be multiplied. A and B are independent of each other. So, what is the probability that A speaks truth and B does not speak truth? Or probability that A does not speak truth and B speaks truth? So, these are the probabilities where they contradict each other. So, A speaks truth and B does not speak truth. Because A and B are independent, I can multiply the probabilities. So, 4 by 5 into 1 by 4 plus 1 by 5 into 3 by 4. 4 by 5 into 1 by 4 plus 1 by 5 into 3 by 4. That is equal to 4 plus 3, 7 by 20. So, this will be the probability that they contradict each other. Thank you.